Finding the perfect red lipstick can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. With so many finishes, tones, and formulas out there, it's easy to end up with a shade that looks amazing in the tube but doesn't quite work on your lips. In today's video, we're solving that problem once and for all. We're breaking down the top 5 red lipsticks that work across skin tones, last all day, and make a powerful statement. If you've been struggling to find your perfect red, keep watching. Kicking off our list at number 1, NARS Dragon Girl. The NARS Dragon Girl is one of the most iconic red lipsticks in the beauty world, known for its vivid color and flattering matte finish. It's part of the NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil line, and while technically a pencil, it wears like a luxurious lipstick. Dragon Girl has earned cult status thanks to its universally flattering cherry red hue that balances cool and warm undertones, making it suitable for almost any skin tone. It's a go-to red for beauty editors, makeup artists, and red carpet stars alike. Key features: the NARS Dragon Girl is loaded with high-impact pigments, delivering intense color payoff in a single swipe. The formula is enriched with emollients like vitamin E and silicone, which provide a creamy texture and smooth glide. It's a matte finish without the typical dryness, making it comfortable for extended wear. The pencil format allows for precise application without needing a lip liner, making it perfect for on-the-go touch-ups and travel. Benefits and usage: this lipstick gives you that bold, look-at-me red lip without overwhelming the rest of your makeup. It's perfect for days when you want minimal effort but maximum impact. The matte finish offers a sophisticated, velvety texture that doesn't bleed or feather. Just outline your lips and fill them in using the same pencil, no brush needed. Pair it with neutral eyes and a touch of blush for a balanced, elegant look that works for daytime or night. Usability: the NARS Dragon Girl is incredibly easy to use thanks to its pencil form. Even beginners will appreciate how effortlessly it applies and defines the lips. Its portable, twist-up design means no sharpener is needed, and its lightweight formula doesn't weigh the lips down. Whether you're heading to a formal event or just want a touch of glamour in your daily routine, this lipstick makes it effortless to get polished, professional results. Durability: in terms of wear time, NARS Dragon Girl delivers impressive longevity. It easily lasts through hours of wear, light snacking, and even coffee sips without needing frequent touch-ups. While it's not fully transfer-proof, it fades evenly and leaves a beautiful red stain that looks intentional. It strikes a great balance between comfort and staying power, making it a top-tier choice for all-day events or long nights out. In the second spot, we have Fenty Beauty Stunna. The Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in Uncensored is Rihanna's answer to the perfect red lipstick, and it doesn't disappoint. This liquid lipstick comes in a sleek glass bottle and features a rich, universally flattering red shade. Its bold color payoff and soft matte finish have made it a beauty must-have. Whether you're rocking a no-makeup look or full glam, Uncensored adds that iconic red lip drama with minimal effort and maximum results. Key features: the Stunna Lip Paint stands out for its weightless, fluid texture and its unique precision wand applicator. One dip is all it takes to coat your lips in vibrant red. The formula is designed to feel feather-light while delivering bold pigment and a soft matte finish. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and free from parabens and sulfates. The innovative wand makes lining and filling your lips easy and clean, no matter your skill level. Benefits and usage: this red lipstick is designed to flatter every skin tone, making it a great go-to when you're unsure what shade to wear. The formula glides on like a dream and dries down to a matte finish that doesn't crack or flake. To apply, start by defining the cupid's bow and outer edges, then fill in the center. One swipe is usually enough, but it layers well for more intensity. It's perfect for date nights, events, or just elevating a simple outfit. Usability: Fenty's applicator wand is one of the best in the business, making application quick and precise even for those new to liquid lipsticks. Despite its high pigmentation, the formula spreads easily without skipping or dragging. It dries at a forgiving pace, giving you time to shape the perfect lip before it sets. It feels comfortable on the lips, never tight or overly drying, a major plus for long wear. Durability: the Stunna Lip Paint is seriously long-lasting. Once set, it resists smudging, fading, and transferring for hours. It'll stay put through meals, drinks, and conversation without constant reapplication. While oil-based foods may cause slight breakdown, overall durability is stellar. It fades gracefully rather than patchy, so even when it does wear down, your lips still look polished. This is the kind of lipstick you can confidently wear for all-day occasions. Coming in at number 3 is the Charlotte Tilbury Red Carpet Red. The Charlotte Tilbury Red Carpet Red lipstick is part of the brand's famed Matte Revolution line, inspired by the timeless glamour of old Hollywood. This is a cool-toned, classic ruby red that's all about elegance and confidence. With its squared bullet and signature rose gold packaging, it's designed to make you feel like a movie star. Ideal for bridal looks, red carpet events, or power dressing days, this lipstick is red done right. Key features: Red Carpet Red features 3D glowing pigments that create the illusion of fuller lips while delivering a soft matte finish. The formula includes orchid extract, triglycerides, and a blend of oils to hydrate and smooth lips while providing long-lasting color. The bullet is uniquely shaped to mimic a lip brush, helping with precise application. Its non-drying, comfortable texture sets it apart from traditional mattes. Benefits and usage: this lipstick is all about bringing sophistication to your look. It enhances the natural shape of your lips while giving them a smooth, velvety appearance. Red Carpet Red is ideal for cooler skin tones, though it also flatters neutral and olive complexions. Apply directly from the bullet or use a brush for ultra precision. 1 or 2 layers are all you need for a rich, balanced red lip that holds its shape and impact throughout the day. Usability: the square-shaped bullet makes it incredibly easy to define your lips without a liner. It glides on smoothly without tugging or dragging, and the formula is forgiving enough to allow touch-ups throughout the day without caking. It's a user-friendly matte that even those with dry lips can enjoy, especially with a bit of balm underneath. Great for both makeup pros and everyday users looking for something luxe but approachable. Durability: Red Carpet Red holds up well for a matte lipstick, lasting through several hours of wear with minimal transfer. It won't survive a greasy burger, but it does handle light meals, drinks, and conversations without much fuss. When it fades, it does so gracefully, leaving a beautiful flush behind. Reapplication is easy and smooth without the need for a full redo, which makes it perfect for events where you need to stay photo-ready all day. Taking our 4th spot is Maybelline SuperStay. The Maybelline SuperStay Matte Ink in the shade Pioneer is a drugstore powerhouse that easily rivals high-end formulas. It's a rich, cool-toned red with a slightly blue undertone that makes teeth appear whiter and skin glow brighter. This lipstick is designed for serious staying power, with a liquid-to-matte formula that's as bold as it is budget-friendly. If you're looking for performance without a luxury price tag, this is your pick. Key features: Pioneer is packed with saturated pigments and formulated to last up to 16 hours. It features Maybelline's unique arrow-shaped applicator, which makes defining and filling the lips a breeze. The formula goes on creamy, dries to a flat matte finish, and is transfer-proof, smudge-proof, and water-resistant. It's available in a wide shade range, but Pioneer remains one of the standout reds in the lineup for its vibrancy and versatility. Benefits and usage: this lipstick is perfect for anyone who needs color that won't quit. Whether you're headed to work, a wedding, or a night out, it delivers all-day impact. The wand shape helps outline and fill in the lips with precision, reducing the need for a liner. Once it sets, it doesn't move. Apply in a single layer and let it dry completely for best results. No need to reapply throughout the day. It's set-and-forget makeup at its finest. Usability: SuperStay Matte Ink is ideal for those who want minimal maintenance. The formula is a bit sticky while drying, but once it sets, it becomes virtually immovable. It works best on prepped, exfoliated lips, and a tiny bit goes a long way. Some may find it a bit drying after hours of wear, so adding a clear gloss or balm after a few hours can refresh the look. For those used to liquid lipsticks, this is an easy transition. Durability: this lipstick is one of the longest wearing on the market. It truly lives up to the SuperStay name, lasting through full meals, coffee, cocktails, and even light workouts. You'll need an oil-based remover to take it off at the end of the day. Makeup wipes won't cut it. If endurance is your top priority, Pioneer delivers performance that even luxury brands struggle to match, all at a drugstore price. And finally, at number 5, we have Dior Rouge. The Dior Rouge Dior lipstick in shade 999 Matte is the definition of luxury meets timeless style. Known as Dior's signature red, shade 999 comes in both satin and matte finishes, with the matte variant offering a sophisticated velvet look without compromising comfort. It's a rich, true red with both blue and orange undertones, making it one of the most balanced red lipsticks on the market. From editorial shoots to runways, this lipstick has earned its place as a makeup bag essential. Key features: the Rouge Dior formula is infused with natural origin ingredients like red peony and pomegranate flower extract to keep lips soft and hydrated. The matte version has a creamy texture that glides effortlessly and doesn't drag or dry out lips. The bullet design is sleek and elegant, housed in a black and silver casing that feels as premium as the formula inside. Benefits and usage: Rouge Dior in 999 Matte gives you the perfect power red for any occasion. It's ideal for professional settings, dates, or high glam nights. The balanced undertones suit all skin tones, while the pigment-rich formula ensures full coverage in a single swipe. Apply directly from the bullet or with a lip brush for precision. It can be blotted and layered without caking, allowing you to adjust intensity. Usability: the creamy matte texture makes this lipstick extremely easy to use. Even if your lips are dry, the formula won't cling awkwardly or highlight imperfections. Its smooth glide allows for clean edges without the need for a liner. It's also one of the few matte lipsticks that remain flexible and breathable throughout wear. Durability: Rouge Dior 999 Matte lasts about 6 to 8 hours without fading or smudging, especially when blotted and layered properly. It's not fully transfer-proof but fades evenly and gracefully. Even after meals, the color remains vivid enough that only a minor touch-up is required. It's a high-performance formula wrapped in couture elegance. 5 of the absolute best red lipsticks that cover every budget, finish, and lifestyle need. Whether you love a classic bullet or swear by a long-lasting liquid, these picks won't let you down. Remember, the perfect red isn't about following trends. It's about what makes you feel bold, confident, and timeless. Let me know in the comments which red lipstick is your go-to or which one you're planning to try next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert reviews.